Hey guys, Doc Heps here. So you're using testosterone daily gel. You think it's great, but you heard that you could transfer this gel over to your partner or your kids. What's going on? Hey guys, Doc Heps here. So the question we're going to go over is you're using testosterone gel. You like it. Can you transfer that testosterone you're putting on your skin every day over to your partner, your kids? What's the risk and what's the best way to reduce that problem from happening? So the answer to that question is yes, that testosterone you're putting on daily has a potential risk of being transferred to anybody you're around or you're touching. Now, it's not going to magically jump from your skin to their skin and get absorbed. But if you interact with them, if you're at the pool or you do some sort of things where you rub it on and you're doing some sort of not common sense type behavior, that you may be able to transfer that testosterone to your friend, partner, kids. And so we're going to go over some ways to try and reduce that potential risk. Number one, testosterone gel is a great option for testosterone replacement in a lot of guys. You don't have to inject yourself with anything. It's easy to use. It doesn't hurt. You don't have to give yourself an injection. So for a number of men, gels are the easiest way to improve their testosterone and subsequently improve their quality of life. So it's definitely a good option for the right guy. Now, you want to kind of limit the potential for you to transfer that gel to anybody in your family. So there was a few studies out there that basically split guys who use testosterone into different groups. So the goal was to try and see how much testosterone would transfer over to their partner. So in the first group, the guys put on testosterone, rubbed it in their shoulder, and then they had direct skin-to-skin contact shortly thereafter. In the second group, folks rubbed the testosterone gel on, and then they showered at different intervals and then would have skin-to-skin contact. In the third group, rubbed the testosterone and then put on a t-shirt or something to try and block the availability of that skin-to-skin transfer. So it kind of made sense. The folks who had the immediate skin-to-skin contact after testosterone, yes, they had a small boost in their testosterone levels over to their partner. So it makes common sense, and the guidance from all urologists, from all testosterone gel companies is you shouldn't have skin-to-skin contact with any partners after you use the testosterone. In the second group, the folks who put the testosterone gel on, waited a couple hours, showered, and then went on to have direct skin-to-skin contact. It did increase their partner's testosterone, but only minuscule amount. And lastly, the folks who just put on a shirt, they didn't transfer any testosterone to their partner. So the answer to the question is yes. Using testosterone gel, there is a risk. If you especially immediately have direct skin-to-skin contact with your partner or kids after you rub testosterone on, you're going to potentially increase their testosterone levels inadvertently. But common sense says don't rub up against anybody right after you put testosterone on. Use a shirt. That'll be the most efficient way of ensuring that you're not getting any of that gel over to any of your partners or family. Lastly, if you're out and about, you're going shirtless, probably the best bet is to put the testosterone early in the morning, let it absorb for a couple of hours. That ensures you've gotten the testosterone into your system, shower, and then you can do whatever you want. That time period will optimize the ability for the gel to get into your system and minimize the potential for transferring that testosterone to anybody in your family. So hopefully this helps give you an idea of some of the risks of transferring testosterone. Gel is a great option for the right guys. You just have to be smart about it. Use a little common sense. I appreciate you checking out the other videos, and thanks again for watching.